Thank you.
Kristen joining us now. We are ready for this heat. It's coming.
Oh, yeah. It is going to move in big time. And today we already had our big warm up from yesterday. Yesterday, I mean, we were in the upper 60s and low 70s with the clouds. Today, the sunshine and almost 80 degrees. Felt nice, but definitely warmer, and it's going to get a lot warmer. 10-degree jump for tomorrow. This is Bear Lake, and you can see a beautiful sky there. Thanks to Ray Boren for sending in that photo, a place you could maybe escape to during the heat to cool down a little bit. And then Jana sending in this photo. Look how lush and green it looks at Lambert Park. Thanks so much for sending in these photos. It's so beautiful. I've been looking at all the green in the mountains and just trying to take it all in, because after this week with all this heat, we're probably going to start to see a lot more brown up there as things start to dry out. So again, today we had highs in the upper 70s. We're in the low 70s right now, on our way to lows right around the upper 50s and low 60s tonight. So really pleasant when we wake up tomorrow morning. Temperatures in St. George are still in the upper 80s after highs in the high 90s there today. We're in the mid 70s in Moab. And this is how it plays out for tomorrow in Salt Lake City. We'll start off in the low 60s in the morning, and then you can see the temperatures climb really quickly. 70s hit by 9 a.m. 80s are around by noon, and then we just keep on going to the upper 80s, just shy of 90 degrees tomorrow. And we still haven't had our first 90-degree day yet. That's going to happen on Thursday, and we're going to jump all the way into the mid-90s. This ridge of high pressure is building in. It was off the coast of California earlier today. It's already starting to push in behind this cold front that's crossing the central part of the country. So that moves in. It's going to keep us dry. It's going to keep us hot. It's going to push that jet stream all the way up into Canada. So tomorrow, a jump in the temperatures by 10 degrees. Thursday, we get into the mid-90s. We do that again on Friday. Friday, high pressure starts to slide east, and that starts to put us in that southerly flow around that high pressure ridge, and that could draw in just enough moisture to get some pop-up thunderstorms going in our mountains and potentially some cloud cover to help cool us off. But as it looks right now, Friday still, even with this scenario, looks like it's going to be the hottest of the week with highs around 95 degrees in the Salt Lake area. Moving on to next week, the extended forecast shows that we'll likely still have a ridge of high pressure bringing in warmer than normal temperatures. So we'll see a little drop, but we're still probably going to be above average for most of the week. And that means likely very dry as well. Central Utah, mid to upper 80s for tomorrow. Southern Utah, 104 in St. George, your first triple-digit day of the year. 97 Moab, going for a record 108 Thursday, still at 105 and 104 Saturday, and then back to 99 early next week. Northern Utah, mid 80s for Logan, but then upper 80s for the Wasatch Front and the Wasatch Back. You're looking at highs in the upper 70s tomorrow in the Park City area. Wasatch Front forecast will have several days in the 90s, 94 Thursday, 95 Friday, still in the mid 90s Sunday, and then early next week, a little drop back to the upper 80s. So summer is full on. It's here.
Feels like we're just skipping the 80s, though, is what it feels like.
Yeah, we're just skipping spring.